face the darkness we've known. No moral code to guide us back home. Is this an atheist paradise where freedom's the light, where every wrong is just another right? In the shadows of what we believe, is it freedom gained or innocence deceived? No sacred text to govern our minds. We're free to choose our own designs. No eternal judge to wear a price. We're the architects of our own demise.